your Windows 10 or Windows 11 screen is constantly flickering, it's time for you to resolve that annoying screen flash. Now, the first thing you have to rule out is the hardware. Check all the cable connections from the monitor to the computer, take them out and plug them back in to ensure the cables are secure. Now, if you have a spare monitor cable, you have to try using it instead. Next, set the correct refresh rate by opening Settings. Click System, choose Display, click Advanced Display, use the refresh rate drop-down, and incrementally select lower rates until the screen flashing stops. Now, if the screen flashing continues, revert to your monitor's recommended refresh rate. And then last on the list, reset your display driver. Just open Settings, go to System, click Recovery. Underneath Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Now, when your system restarts, select Troubleshoot, choose Advanced Options, select Startup Settings, then click Restart. Again, once restarted, select Option 5 to launch your PC into safe mode with networking. And that's how you can fix screen flickering and flashing on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.